How to borrow load in Dito Sim. In this video, I'll show you how to borrow load in Dito Sim. So to get started, go ahead and open your device, and then on your device, go ahead and open the Dito app. So make sure that you have that installed from the Play Store. So go ahead and search for Dito on the Play Store and then install the app into your device. Now, make sure that you have signed in to your Dito account using your Dito number. And then from here, go ahead and swipe right from the offers that you have in here and then click on more. And then once you're taken into this page, go ahead and look for the load assist button. So you'll find that under the basic services in between the buy app subscription and buy eSIM. So once you click on this load assist button, you'll be able to borrow load in Dito SIM. So basically, this requires a few months of using the Dito SIM before you can actually borrow a load, so you need to qualify to that before you borrow load in Dito Sim. But if you are qualified, you'll be able to find the offers that you have in here for the load assist, and that is how you can basically borrow load in Dito Sim.